Rice paddies in China. The ability to cultivate rice in all manner of terrain took a settlement at the Huanghe River Valley and turned it into one of the most prosperous, cultured, and technologically advanced civilizations in the world. Rice paddy terraces were a technological development that allowed China to grow strong, and also became a source of unique beauty for the country, a representation of man's ability to manipulate nature. Below are some of the most breathtaking rice paddies in China. Longji Terraces. The Longji Rice Terraces are 80 kilometers north of Guilin, in Longshan County. While the terraces are in Longshan County, they are commonly referred to as the Longji Terraces, which literally means dragon's backbone. The ethnic Zhuang and Yao people who inhabit this part of Guangxi live in wooden houses. In nearby Yangshuo, the famous Karst Mountains make a majestic backdrop for the rice fields. Dazhai is one of the ethnic Yao villages that is located among the terraced rice paddies. Yuanyang Terraces. The Yuanyang Rice Terraces are in Yuanyang County, deep in rural Yunnan Province. When visiting Yuanyang, be aware that you do not have to enter the scenic park and pay an admission ticket to see the terraces. There are many beautiful terraces all over the mountains of Yuanyang County.